We're building a Murphy door, a secret door between this bedroom over here and the living room over here.
We bought a rundown house with the idea of doing an extensive remodel. See above for a link to that video. The house was a hodgepodge of additions going back 140 years. Since we were doing an addition to the kitchen, we decided to flip the dining room and downstairs bedroom. The problem was that this would create less flow between the front living room and the rest of the house. To provide another option of flow between the living room and the back of the house, we decided to put a hidden Murphy door between the living room and the bedroom. The first thing we had to do was rip out the walls and shore up the structure. After we finished framing, drywall, and floors, I enlisted Mike, a much better carpenter than I, to build the door/bookshelf. We used sturdy gate hinges anchored to the structure. Mike made dado cuts in 2x6s, added a sanded plywood backing, then glued in and finish nailed pine shelves. We hung the door and then added finish trim on the living room side to make it look like built-in cabinets. We painted it, installed a magnetic catch, and added handles to complete the illusion.